you know, we're waving.
Yeah, Dylan's really too scared.
Oh God! God! Oh God! Oh God!
That's good.
Oh man, how was it, Dylan? Jeez! Was it fun?
Yeah, kind of. Whoa!
Yeah, how was it? Okay, yellow. Are you? Oh, I'm stuck. Here we go. Whoa! How was it?
I took some in, but I'm alright.
Okay.
It was fairly good.
There we go. Managed to get some speed this time. Never mind. Come on. This is a rubbish slide. There we go. Oh, I did another turn. Come on. Get this speed. Please, there we go. Why can't I get any? Come on, speed. This stuff is all right. Okay, nearly down. I'm only doing this for the view. Those are the four main slides they've got in Mukarnas. My favourite one has got to be the one with the donut, which goes back and forth. That one's probably the best out of them all. Now let's move on to the kids pool and kids slides. So the kids pool is about 45 centimeters, so when I say kids pool I mean around toddler age.
First slide I'm going to go on is just a slope downwards. Let's try it out then. The pool down there is just whee! Okay, that's way too short for me. The next slide I'm going on is one that goes round and round. Okay, I'm going to have to push myself. Look, the 4:30. I'm too heavy. So this is got some speed on it now. Okay, and then I get to stop. And here. Overall, I think that they should make the kid slides a bit bigger, so then if you don't like the really big slides, then you can go onto those. Because when I did those, I went straight plummeting down and it hurt my backside. Let's put it that way.
So that's it for the main slides and the kids slides and kids pool. See you in the next one.